In WhatsApp, in any chatter group, if you want to pin a message, you can do that. But sometimes, you might want to pin multiple messages, like 2 or 3. In this video, we'll explain how to pin multiple messages in a WhatsApp chatter group. To do this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact or group. For example, I'm selecting this contact. Then, choose the message you want to pin. For example, I'm selecting this message. Long press on that message, and at the top, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. There, you'll see the pin option. Click on Pin. When you do, you'll be asked to choose a time. For example, I'm selecting 24 hours. If you want to pin it for 7 days, you can do that, or there's a 30-day option too. For now, I'm keeping it at 24 hours. After that, click the Pin button. When you click it, that message will be pinned. If you want to pin another message, just long press on that message, and like before, click the 3 dots, select the pin option, and choose a time. For example, I'm selecting 24 hours again. Then, click the pin button. When you click that, the message will also be pinned. One thing to note, you can only pin up to 3 messages. If you try to pin another message after that, all the pinned messages will be removed. So, you can pin up to 3 messages. This way, you can easily pin multiple messages in a WhatsApp chatter group. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.